Good afternoon. It's me, your catering to your mother. So today I will accept to challenge Ate Jaja. And I will translate to sawalikaing Tagalog to English. That's right? Okay.
Okay, so here, unang salawikain para sa iyo nga na itatranslate mo into English ay pag binato ka ng bato, batuhin mo ng tinapay.
You put a stone, you buy two bread.